I want to know if you can guess what I'm freeze drying today with these couple clues that I'm going to give you. First clue, the average American eats 8.5 pounds of these per year. Second clue, Egyptian Queen Cleopatra claimed that these made her beautiful. And your last clue, the color of my sleeves and my hood. Okay, did you guess it? Any ideas? Pickles. We are freeze drying pickles today. Please tell me in the comments down below if you got my little guessing game right. Thought I would have a little fun with some pickles today. We're gonna freeze dry these. Super exciting. I am definitely a huge pickle fan. My youngest Wesley loves pickles. He's my only kid that likes pickles, so I think he's gonna be excited to do our taste test with me at the end of the freeze drying process. I got my machine on. I'm going into customize. It's in candy mode, so I'm gonna hit reset. I'm gonna hit fast dry time, and I like to increase my extra dry time to a high amount of hours. I do that just because if it happens to end in the middle of the night and I'm not ready to take the food out of the freeze dryer, it'll just keep freeze drying, and that's not gonna hurt your food. So that's just a little thing I like to do. I'm gonna hit save, and I'm gonna hit start, and we're gonna wait our 15-minute cool down period. I have not had freeze-dried pickles before. If you have, please tell me if you like them. I went with pickle spears. We are just going to lay these on the tray as they are and see how they do in the freeze dryer. The next time I do pickles, I'll probably try the pickle chips. I feel like those would be super fun for snacking on. I think these are gonna be good too. I am going to run and drain the pickle juice off of here and then get them laid out on my trays. Okay, wow, does this room now smell like pickles. But we've got our pickles on our trays. They fit very nicely. We are just waiting our last 7 minutes to get them into the freeze dryer. I am really excited to see how these turn out. I don't quite know what to expect, so this is gonna be fun. I also wanted to add that I have updated my little freeze-dried candy shop. I will put the website in the description down below. I am now offering a box of the month of freeze-dried candy. It's gonna be 3 items each month that are gonna rotate, and some of them are gonna be based on the holidays that are coming up that month. But it is super fun. If you're wanting to try freeze-dried candy, you can do that. If you click the link below, it will take you to my website where it will show you the 3 freeze-dried candies that I am offering in the box today. The price of your box does include shipping, and it's a fun, easy way to be able to try all different kinds of freeze-dried goodies. So be on the lookout for that if that is something you are interested in. Okay, we are ready to load up. I am going to close my drain valve. Get these guys in. All right, we're locked and loaded. Hitting continue, and we are freezing. Before we go, I've got to leave you with a joke. What is the pickle's favorite TV show? Dill or no dill? I'm just such a comedian over here. All right, these are going. I will keep you updated on the freeze drying process. I'm I'm sure this is going to be a long process. Again, it's another very high moisture content food. So we will see. I am sure sometime tomorrow we will have these finished and we can do our taste test. I will see you then. And hopefully with another pickle joke. Bye. Okay, hello, welcome back. It is the next day. Our pickles have been freeze drying for quite some time. We are at the 22-hour mark. It just barely entered its extra dry cycle. So since the machine has already sensed that they are done, I am going to take these out of the machine and see how they are. I gotta be honest, they are not looking that appetizing. I'm hoping they taste better than they look. We will find out. To end my dry cycle early, I'm just gonna do this. I think I can just hit cancel also. I don't know, this is just how I've always done it, so I do it this way. Process complete, open drain valve, which is over here. I'm gonna select defrost. Machine's shutting off and we can open our door. Let's slide this out. Yeah, definitely, they definitely feel dry. We're gonna get these out. Okay, I have one more joke for you. What do you call a pickle sale? A sweet dill. Sorry, this is so stupid. Okay, here are our pickles. Don't they just look lovely? I mean, they look a little scary, but this was a fun experiment. Okay, I'm not gonna do my traditional taste test because I do not think my kids are gonna wanna taste test these. They do not look very appetizing, but I am still gonna try them. I might have my son after I try it and I think he might like it, my pickle lover. I'll let him give it a try and see. But let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm supposed to yell, "What time is it, kids? Taste test time!" But it's just me. Here's my pickle. I inhaled some pickle dust. Excuse me. Okay, you know I'm honest here. On this channel, I like to show you my wins and my loses. This one might be a lose, but you know what? Maybe it's just me because plenty of people who I have talked to about my freeze dryer have asked me to do pickles. They say they love the freeze dried pickles. Me, at least these ones, not a fan. I need to try the pickled chips and maybe a sweet pickle would be better. These are very strong in flavor and kind of have a spice to them. I honestly didn't even look at the jar to see if they were like spicy pickles or not. So that's my fault. I do want to see if we can rehydrate this and what it looks like when we add water back to it. So we will be doing that next for experimental sake. But this I am not a huge fan of. It took a long time. And this is not something that I would reach for a snack. Fresh pickle, better. But if it can be rehydrated, that could be cool. So we're gonna try that next. Okay, I found my little buddy. He said he would try the pickle. All right, go. Not a fan. Mommy didn't like it either, so it's okay that you don't like it. Okay, bye. You win some, you lose some. I did think of a way to use these pickles so that they do not go to waste. I love pickles in chicken salad, and I think putting these freeze-dried pickles in the chicken salad is gonna be so good. It might add a little bit of a crunch or a new texture than a regular pickle would, but it'll still also give the regular pickle flavor. To do that, I will be putting these pickles into my food processor and just chopping them up a little bit. I don't want to make them like too fine to where it's just like a powder. I want them to be a little bit chunky. And then I'm going to save them for a chicken salad recipe. I don't have the ingredients to make the chicken salad today, but I will make it and post it as a YouTube short so that you could follow the same thing if you are interested in that recipe. Normally for long-term storage, you want to put them in a Harvest Right bag or any type of Mylar bag. Throw in an oxygen absorber and heat seal it. Since I am just gonna grind these up and save them for a recipe, I'm tossing them in a Ziploc bag. And I will show you how I grind them up in my food processor. That I can do. And then I think I'm gonna put them in a vacuum sealed jar until I get around to making the YouTube short of my chicken salad recipe with freeze-dried pickles. I mean, I didn't want them to go to waste, and that idea just came to me a little while ago. So we will do that next. Okay, I'm over here at my tiny little Ninja food processor. And let's see if I can get this. I'm just gonna stick some of these in here. Okay, after chopping it, you get kind of a mix of powder, a mix of chunks. That'll work just fine. I'm gonna stick them in my jar. Like pickle dust is just coming in the air. That's kind of gross. But stick them in the jar and finish this bag. Here's my jar of pickles. I am going to vacuum seal this just so that it stays fresh enough until I get around to making our dill pickle chicken salad, which actually sounds really good. Okay, that's ready to go. Just for funsies, I'm gonna stick these two pickles in this water and check back on it in about 15 minutes or so and just see how they look reconstituted. Here's our rehydrated pickle. It's definitely... Okay. I can't do that texture. Nope, nope. No rehydrated pickles. No. Okay, I am super excited to use the freeze-dried pickle mixture in a recipe. It would be really good in the dill pickle chicken salad recipe I have in mind. Also, it would be great in egg salad. I think that would be a great thing. Okay, well, thank you for watching our pickle video. It was a fun experiment. I'm still gonna be able to use the pickles, even though they didn't turn out exactly how I had envisioned in my mind, but that's okay. You know, things don't always go the way you think they're going to, but now you at least can see the type of pickles I did, how they turned out, and you could try something different. I think pickle chips might be better. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you've done pickles and if they turned out for you and if you liked them. I would love any tips or advice for things that you have done. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new things that I'm freeze drying, the wins and the loses. But that's okay. I will see you on the next video. Bye.